Today we are going to replace the control unit of this 2002 BMW 330ci. Okay, the soft top it's with a slow movement, so we're going to perform the replacement of the control unit. It's a 3 solenoid body control that controls the flux of the hydraulic lines through the opening and closing movement. Well, I have just removed the rear panel. There are three pieces, basically two. Okay, the armrest around here. There are two screws that holds the panel in place. Okay, one clip right here, and then three screws that holds the string up. So remove it gently and try not to break it. I have removed all the rear panels. Now we are going to remove the trunk lid. Only two bolts each side. Be careful not to lose the washers. Okay, after removing the trunk lid, we proceed to remove the hot top fitment plug. Okay, two screws here and also two screws right here. After disconnecting the hard top connector, unplug the harness of the soft top, both sides. Okay, and then we are proceeding to remove the bolts that hold the soft stop in place. I'm starting at this bolt and release this one, that one, that's one, and there's one right behind there. I have to close the soft stop in order to see and reach it, and then remove all the soft stop. After removing the bolts of the trunk lid latch, you have to remove the clip that holds the cable, the manual locker. Okay, you have a clip, unclip it, clear the pin, and then release it. To remove the cable from the trunk lid latch, unclip it, clear from the pin, and then to release this part, you have to push it into the interior. Okay, press and push it inside. After disconnecting all the wires, harness, we're gonna have to remove this bolt, this one here, and this one here. Okay, these are the ones who hold the soft top in place. This one and that one holds the factory setting bracket. Okay, you don't have to mess with it. Soft top removed. It's heavy as hell. You better have someone to help you to remove it from the car. Yes, we can. Okay.